In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as a contributor to your Wix site. Whether you're managing a website for your business, collaborating on a creative project, or simply need a helping hand with updates, adding a trusted contributor can make managing your site so much easier. Wix makes this process simple and secure, allowing you to assign specific roles and permissions to ensure your site stays organized and protected. Stick with me as I break down each step so you can invite collaborators confidently and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website. You can do this by typing wix.com into the search bar at the top of your browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. Use the email address and password associated with your Wix account to access your dashboard. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to take advantage of it to make logging in quicker and easier. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is essentially the control center for all the sites you manage. Take a moment to locate the site you're working on if you manage multiple projects. From there, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You'll notice a variety of options designed to help you manage your site. For now, click on the Settings tab. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize and control many aspects of your site. Within the Settings page, your next step is to navigate to the Roles and Permissions section. This is where you'll handle all things related to site access and contributor management. Once you're inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Invite Collaborators. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a form you'll use to invite the person you want to add as a contributor. Now, it's time to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to type in their email address carefully and double-check it once you've entered it. This step is important because if the email address is incorrect, the person won't receive your invitation. Take just a moment to confirm that everything is accurate before moving on. Next, you'll need to assign the person a role. Wix provides several role options under the General Roles menu. These roles define what the contributor will be able to do on your site. For example, you might choose an editor role if you want them to help you modify content, or you could assign admin-level access if they need broader control over the site. Review the descriptions of the available roles and choose the one that best fits the level of access you want to grant. Once you've selected the appropriate role, click on the Send Invite button. That's it for your part. The invitation will now be sent to the email address you entered. Your collaborator will need to open their email, accept the invitation, and follow any additional instructions they receive from Wix to join your site. Now, all that's left to do is wait for the recipient to accept your invitation. Once they've done so, they'll officially have access to your site as a contributor. To confirm that everything has gone through successfully, you can check your notifications in the Wix dashboard. There, you should see a confirmation letting you know that the recipient has joined your site. And there you have it. That's how you add someone as a contributor to your Wix site, step by step. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to double-check details like the email address and assigned role ensures everything runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.